Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install SSH server in Windows systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To install an SSH server on Windows, you can use OpenSSH, which is built into modern versions of Windows. Here's a quick guide. SSH, Secure Shell, is a secure protocol that enables encrypted remote access to computers over a network. It provides secure command line access, file transfers, and remote command execution while protecting against unauthorized access. Starting from Windows 10, build 1809, and continuing with Windows 11, the OpenSSH client comes pre-installed by default. However, the OpenSSH server is not included and requires manual installation if needed. The OpenSSH client allows users to securely connect to remote systems over SSH, enabling command line access and file transfers. The OpenSSH server, on the other hand, hosts SSH connections, allowing remote users to access and control the system securely. SSH requirements: target machine you want to connect to, needs SSH server, OpenSSH server, installed, must be running the SSH daemon, SSH, SSHD, needs to have port 22 open, or your custom SSH port. Source machine you're connecting from, only needs SSH client, OpenSSH client, used to initiate connections. Most Linux distributions come with SSH client pre-installed. Installing OpenSSH server on Windows, check if OpenSSH is installed, open Settings, then System, then Optional Features. Or go to the search bar and search for optional features. Look for OpenSSH server in the list. If it's not installed, from the optional features, add a feature, click on View Features, then search for OpenSSH server, then install it. Start and enable SSH server, open PowerShell or terminal as an administrator and run. This ensures the SSH server starts automatically. Configure firewall rules. Allow SSH traffic by running. Verify SSH server is running. Run. If the status is running, your SSH server is active. If the user account has no password, OpenSSH on Windows will not allow password authentication by default. Windows security policies typically require a password for authentication, and empty passwords are not permitted for SSH logins. To connect without a password, you can set up public key authentication, or you can add a password to your Windows account. Once you add a password to your Windows account, you can use it for SSH authentication, provided that password authentication is enabled in your OpenSSH server settings. To check or enable password authentication, open the SSH config file, usually located in C program data SSH. Look for the line, Password authentication no. Change no to yes if it's disabled. Save the file and restart the SSH service using Restart Service SSHD. After this, your Windows account password should work for SSH login. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.